On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is completely free, and the best part is that you don't need any experience to use this method to make money from home. As you can see, these are my results on Digistore24. You can see everything on your screen. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join Digistore24. Digistore24 is an affiliate network that you can join and then find digital products to promote. It is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can join Digistore24 and then promote affiliate products. Once you have created your accounts and login, what you have to do is that you are going to click right here, marketplace, so that you can find digital products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you can see these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different categories. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a physical product. So you have to scroll down and then click right here, physical products. Once you click on physical products, you are going to select supplements. Once you select supplements, as a school, you can see these are supplements that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see this product right here, Icing Power. The commission rate is $110.37. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this is another product. The commission rate is $140.28. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. There are many of them that you can promote. You can see the next one, $108.95 per every sale that you get. There are many other products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. When you click on page 2, there are other products that you can promote and you are going to be earning money on Digistore24. You can see another product right here which you can promote and then earn a commission. The commission rate is $81.78. That is the amount that you are going to earn per sale. As I scroll down, you can see this product right here, natural teeth whitener. This product is going to help people to whiten their teeth, and the commission rate is $75. This is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get, and you can see this is the price of the product. There are a whole lot of different supplements that you can promote to earn money from home. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here, natural teeth whitener. We are going to be promoting this product. I've been promoting it. You can see this is my affiliate link. If you have not promoted the product before, you will see something like promote now. Once you click on it, you will get your affiliate link. But because I've been promoting this product, that is why my affiliate link is here. So now, if you are new to the product, what you have to do is that you have to check the sales page of the product before you can begin to promote it. So just click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can see this is the landing page of the product. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to buy the product. You can see everything in the landing page. You can see the information in the landing page. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different information on the landing page. So now once you get to know the landing page of the product, the next step is that you have to promote it. You have to promote it to people so that you can get them to buy the product for you to make money. There are two ways that you can promote the product. You can promote it using free traffic. You can also promote it using paid traffic. In this case, I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to promote the product to get people to buy it for you to earn a commission. The website that we are going to be using to promote the product is fridayart.co.uk. That is the website that we are going to be using today to promote the product. This website is a classified website that you can use to promote any product that you want. You are going to be promoting the product to people who live in the United Kingdom so that they can buy the product for you to earn money. As you can see on SimilarWeb, 91.57% of the people who visit the website are from the United Kingdom. The next one is France, India, Germany, Hungary, and the rest. These are tier 1 countries, and the best part is that the people who live in the United Kingdom have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn money. So fridayart.co.uk is one of the best quality traffic source that we can use to promote the product. To promote your product, you have to first of all create an account so that you can place your ad on this website. To create an account, click right here, sign in. Once you click on sign in, you can create an account using your Google accounts or your Facebook accounts. If you want, you can enter your email address right here, your password, and then create an account. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, place your ad. Once you click on it, you are going to select from any of these categories that you want to advertise. Just scroll down and then select the right category that you want. In this case, you are going to select for sale. Once you click on that, you are going to select the specific category. So click right here. Once you click on it, select any of these categories, because we just want people attention to the product. We just want people to see the product and then click on it so that they can buy it. In this case, I'm going to select businesses for sale. So select that. Once you select that, you are going to click on next. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, got it. Once you click on that, you are going to enter the title of your ad. You have to enter the title of the product that you are promoting. You can come back on Digistore24, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to enter the price of the product. As you can see on Digistore24, this is the price of the product. So you have to enter a figure below this, because here we are using pounds, so you have to enter a figure below 200. So let's enter something like 189. Once you enter the price, you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to select each. You can see that is the price. You can see 189 pounds. That is the price of the product. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to select a tag. You are going to select a tag related to the product that you are promoting, so that your ad can rank high on this website. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select the right category of the product. Just scroll down, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to select science and medical. Once you select the right tag, what you have to do is that you have to select the location. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select any location in the United Kingdom. You can see many locations. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select any location that you want in the United Kingdom. Once you select the location, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. You can see delivery method. Select local delivery. Once you select that, you are going to scroll down. You can see the color. Just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see item condition. You are going to select new. Once you select new, you are going to scroll down. You can see your reference number. Just leave it. It is optional. Once that is done, you can see description. You have to paste some text about the product right here. In this case, what you have to do is that we are going to use some text on the landing page as our description. So we are going to come on the landing page of the product. Once you come back, we are going to highlight from here. Just highlight everything. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here as your description. As you can see, that has been done. This is the description of the product. Once you have your description, the next step is that you are going to click right here next. Once you click on next, you have to upload an image of the product. To get an image of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google. Once you are on Google, just search for natural teeth whitening. Once you search for it, you can see different images of the product. You can see different images. You can scroll down and select any of these images that you want. You can just scroll down and select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to be using this image right here. So right click on it. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save image as, so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you download the image of the product, you are going to click right here, upload images. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open so that the image can be uploaded. You can see the image has been uploaded. If you want, you can upload many images, but in this case, I'm going to leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see this is the preview of your ad. This is how people are going to see it before they click on your link. So now, once you have entered that, if you have a YouTube link, you can paste it right here, but we don't have a YouTube link concerning the product, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, you can see phone number. It is optional, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see your email address. You are going to leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see website. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, you are going to highlight and then copy your affiliate link. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see contact preference. You are going to select email. You want them to email you if they want more information about the product. Once you have pasted your affiliate link and then select your contact preference, the next step is that you're going to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you're going to see a page like this. They are asking you to pay, but in this case, we don't need to pay. But if you want, you can pay to promote your ad. In this case, we are not going to pay for anything. We just want to promote it. When we get the sale, we can then pay for the premium version. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, finish. You are not going to pay for anything. You can see the total cost is 0. Just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see thank you, your ad is in review. So the ad is in the review. They review your ad and then post it onto the platform so that you can be getting traffic to your affiliate link for free without paying for anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.